Australian Fire Protection mission is to prepare people for emergency situations that could arise in the workplace. Focusing on fire safety training and procedures, our team are highly skilled and qualified to equip you and your business with the understanding and knowledge in what to do should a situation arise at your facility. Our services extend across all industries. We even offer industry-specific courses to select workplaces such as health and early education sectors. At Australian Fire Protection, we work with companies of all sizes, from local businesses to national and international brands. We provide everything from fire safety audits, evacuation diagrams and emergency procedures manual to practical fire warden first response training, fire safety advisor courses, online training courses, and code black threat management training. Our range of nationally recognized training and non-accredited courses offer a compliant solution for all businesses of all sizes right across Australia.